Baby G and Daddy are inside the playhouse, and we paid 1 hour for her to go to the playhouse to play and enjoy and run and whatever she wants to do. And then, so 30 minutes of my time and then 30 minutes of hubby's time. But when I went out of the playhouse, I didn't know where to go. I didn't know what to do. I can't go inside. I don't have socks. Guys, na-extend lang akong time kaya yung si Donel siya na lang daw ang mubantay ni Inday because I don't have socks and wala siya magduan sa what she plan. So, ako sa basa ko kumahaton. Siguro mangita ko sa nila ni Inday or sa kung gusto kong haton. I have another 30 minutes. Yeah.
Look at me.
Okay, so ako ba sa confident ko? Sa ako tanang. And I only have 10 minutes left. So, kani, Baby G needs this. I remember Baby G has a lot of like this before. Katawa pa kayo siya hair. Kani mo slide na ni sa yung hair. We've got it! Lots of excitement and fashion we've got. Shopping experience for everyone! So guys, wala na gihapon ko yung napalit for myself or did anything for myself for the extra 30 minutes. But I bought the tugong for Baby G and a book for her. Always for her. Always thinking about her. There goes my baby. Ay, balik na po siya dito. Dito na po siya sa dagandag, ambak-ambak. Nandito na ng daddy na ko ba? I'm sure he is looking for me. Mananawag na lang siya. Wala na po dito ba? Nakita. Masama to siya. Ano siya kastorya. Hi! Done na. It's time na. Bye! O, come here. Asa ka, babe? Wala kay shoes. Kaluoy. Did you enjoy the playhouse? What did you do?
Like run.
Slide and run.
No.
Done na.
Close.
Close na, no? We will go to the CR
Next the airplane.
and change clothes also.
Close also.
Yeah. Where's the CR?
There. Oh, over there.
Over there. Over the hills and
What's up?
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said
My monkey jumping bed.
but it was a different song. It was like the duck. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and then Mother Duck said, quack, quack. Kampot na tayo, nalimot na ko ba sa parehara silang tune. Mag-mash up na lang. Gutom na. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Say good night.
Good night.